Hello. Welcome to my live video. My name is Jason Brown. Welcome to my Facebook page. Hello, Facebook, and anyone else who's in the opportunity to see this. So today is Wednesday, and here I am once again sharing that we have a tremendous webinar coming up this evening, which I would definitely like to invite you to attend. There's been I've had a lot of interest, a lot of people reaching out, a lot of comments on my posts. What are you doing? What's going on? Well, here we are once again. Every Wednesday we have a webinar to share with you just that, just what's going on, just what it is that is changing our outcome, our income, our lives, the way we do things, our presence on the internet, our presence on Facebook, all those great things. You can hear live testimonials. Hear direct from our mentor what the program is, how it works, and how we're finding such success. So I realize that this is something that we're doing every week, and here we are, Webinar Wednesday. So I want to encourage you, any questions that you have, they'll be answered tonight on the webinar. The webinar is tonight at 7 o'clock Eastern, that's 6 Central, 4 Pacific Standard Time. Please use that wherever you are in the world. This is available for anybody. International. Hey, Missy, appreciate you stopping by. And definitely, yeah, if you're catching this live, let me know you're here. If you're catching this on the replay, hit me with a hashtag replay. Let me know you saw this as well. I will definitely have, the link or the information to join the webinar is already in my story. I'll drop it down below here in the comments as well. Just hop in. You don't have to participate in any way. Just watch and learn, watch and listen, and take in all the tremendous information that's going to be shared this evening. So once again, Webinar Wednesday, hope to see you there. It's at 7 Eastern, 6 Central, 4 Pacific, and it's definitely worth just taking a look. Just come and see what we got going on, what the excitement's about. There's a reason that week after week you're seeing more and more people involved. There's a reason that week after week we're excited to share that these webinars are happening. You're seeing that the success that people are having on my timeline, on other timelines. There's a sincere buzz about this program. So I encourage you to just stop by, take a look. If you have any questions, shoot me a message, drop me a comment. Again, let me know you're here, and I look forward to seeing you tonight. Thanks. Jason Brown. See ya. I'm out.